For page preview, we have different form of page view in CorelDRAW. We have single view. This is an example of single view, and we have multi-view that shows all your pages at once. So to do that, we come to Windows, Dockers, then you check for pages. And you see it is third one. Yeah. So by default, this how it will be. It's here. View once. So you can change it here to multi-page view. Show all pages. And you see once you click on it to change. Under that, we have different form of settings. If you can see here now, by default it will come as this. You have different layouts. Can you see the layout? This one is 4:1, so you can change it to be vertical. So you can change it to be horizontal. So for example, now let me zoom it down to view, page to page. Can you see it? So once I press Alt down arrow or I move here, can you see it? You can be seeing the pages you are working on vertically, vertical view, and you can change the layout to horizontal view. So you change it here. Let's change it here. Zoom level. So let's say to page. Can you see it? Once I press Alt left arrow, so can you see it? Can you see the pages we have been working on? So all the pages in the, can you see it? Yes. So if it works, and you might want to make it more complex. If you want to make it another one, you can look at another one, another method, another layout. This one, another layout here. Zoom to page. It's similar to horizontal. This for if you have, I think, different pages. So this is how it works. So let me use this layout, this first layout. So you can, let me show you how you can change it. By default, the column will have 4. You can, depending on the pages you have, I have 300 and something. Let me make it 20 and see 20 pages. Enter. Can you see it? So this is how it works. So you might want to reduce the space in between them. Let me change it to inches. I need it to be inches. So this is how it works. You might want to reduce the space in between them. By clicking here, you can reduce it here to like 1 inch. Then press enter. The space in between each will be reduced. Vertical and horizontal. So let me zoom down again to see. Remember, this is zoom level to page. So this is how it works. So this is how it works. You can see control minus. So this is how it works. It's all the pages I have. So this is similar to Adobe Illustrator. This is how the page view looks like. So this is how it works. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos. You are welcome.